see Ernie today. Gonna pick up my Starbucks.
Good morning. How are you today?
Can I get a venti hazelnut latte with almond milk?
Grande hazelnut latte with almond milk?
Yes.
Is that hot or ice?
Hot.
Okay.
That's it.
All right. 5:35 at the window. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Got my coffee, grande hazelnut latte with almond milk, and it's off to Gennaro's house. So Genaro texts me, he's like, "Hey, Bill, can you come over and help me move my blow-up doll to the storage?" And I was like, "Sure, but just to warn you, I tested positive for Buckla 69. And he said, "Oh, don't worry, I got that already." Watching some Tanner Fox and Dustin Williams
on the car, dude.
Because I'm going to Marietta and Temecula. So at this point, Ernie would be like, "I gotta buy some lotto tickets. Be right back." And there you have it, a mega, a power, and a super. Retirement plan, boys. So lately, part of my morning ritual during Christmas is watching the newest episode of TJ Hunt's Vlogmas and my boy Chris Bertaccio. If you're not following him, follow him. Damn, these are like morning people, all walking. Oh no, there's an STI. It is Genaro. Oh hell no, there's a U-Haul here. He said we are just gonna move a little bit of stuff to storage. Actually, there's fucking U-Haul here. Look at this guy. Pulling out the cars. Yeah, move that shit. I move and you haul. Goodbye house. This guy.
Easier to load. Put your load in.
Put your load in there? You're gonna drop a load? This bastard here says he needs to move a blow-up doll. And he has this big ass U-Haul. What'd I get myself into? I gotta go home, Genaro. Here, where's that blow-up doll? Let's go. Man cave is now gone. It is bare bones. Dang, look at this big ass truck. Hey Genaro, with that big Nissan, is it true? How big is your dick?
It's supposed to compensate.
How much is it compensating?
Not too much.
Not too much.
About a millimeter.
A millimeter. Nancy's got the donuts. Get Ernie jealous.
Oh,
Your mask is too small. It's too tight, Genaro.
Huh?
Your mask is too tight. Your ears are coming out. See, Genaro's wearing his mask for Nancy because, not for COVID, because his breath, he needs to brush his teeth.
Because all he does is play Warzone, he doesn't take showers.
Oh, this is a sausage. This is the sausage I like, Arbel.
Oh, not my sausage?
There's a spicy sausage.
Yeah, mine's spicy when I don't take a shower.
No.
Hey, where's my sweater at?
Oh yeah, let me ask Nancy.
You know why I left it here, right?
If I could wipe my jizz on.
So I could come back, just like how chicks leave their underwear at your house.
What are you doing? You want the other half of that?
Sure.
The half that I
I'm the dog whisperer, see? These are my dogs. No, my dogs like my boys.
This dog right here. Look. Mochi. Mochi.
See, because you're teaching her that.
Look. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You're letting the dog hump your arm. You trained her to do that.
I saw you do it.
Oh no. and this is where Genaro realized
You drop your phone, your keys. Oh.
Oh, now that you took all the glass off.
What's not to love about Zero?
Yep, done unloading.
A weekend with zero
Man, what time is it? 3:12?
It's 3 o'clock.
And what time we start?
Zero is underrated.
I don't know.
Like 9?
Zero first month payment.
6 hours?
Hey, race this truck right here in the U-Haul.
She's so slow.
Oh, so he leaves us.
He could have stopped.
What's up, Nancy?
Hey.
We're bringing the cars to storage today.
I missed this car for 2-3 weeks.
She said we're going to Dominigoni.
Oh shit, really?
I don't know. Is that far?
Yeah. Look at that.
What? E75.
So only took $20 because going in the store. Or less than that. We're going to go
How much is it?
Shit. It's only $2.49.
$2.49. Both of them been here? Or you guys run it too?
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Y'all know what's up. See you on the next one. Peace.